Hey, welcome to PO Vista. My name is Joven. Today, let me share with you how I built my budget cinema travel rig. Hopefully, you get some ideas out of this build. For the cage, I went with newer as it's cheaper than most and it has what I needed. Some of my favorite bits are the Arca Swiss bottom, NATO rail on the sides, and the top built in. It includes the cable tie-down attachment, 3-point locking system, nice rubber textured grip. Again, the top is NATO rail with ARRI locking mounting point, dual cold screw, and it comes with this magnetic tool. But honestly, this is the weakest part of this cage. Don't expect the smaller part to last. It rounded off after using about 3 to 4 times. But I just got it for 40 Singapore dollars new, and with that price, I can live with that. As for the fusion, I use the STC clip-in filter. This one is 1/4 strength. It basically just lives in the ZVE one. It comes with a magnetic tool to help place it on the camera, but I just drop it in carefully, no problem so far. At the time of recording this video, which is around September 2024, this is my favorite lens to shoot with for videos and photos. The Simera Typoc 35mm 1.4M mount. It's very versatile. I can use it on my FUJI as well, or any camera I decide to switch to later on. Small, compact, gives me a very dreamy image for videos or photos. They have released a cinema version of this lens, which is why I am now selling this lens to get the cinema version. This part is what I'm talking about. The tool here will round off after a while, but I'm assuming most of you has a multi-tool anyway, so this shouldn't be a big deal. The cage has a battery gate so you can get to the battery with no problems. This cable tie down I really never use, so I'll take it out. Then I attach an air tag using this small rig holder. For VND, I use the K&F magnetic filter, 3 to 7 stops, which I think is all you need. It covers the most useful range in my opinion. I got the 55mm to cover most of my small lenses. I have the 82 magnetic filter as well, but I think it looks ridiculous on a small lens. I still used a step-up ring for this lens, and then I attached the magnetic ring that comes with it. It has notches to secure the VND in place, otherwise the VND will just keep turning and will be troublesome to engage the VND. You still have to twist it initially to get the notches to lock, but when in place it will be easier for you to engage the VND. For a tiny setup with monitor, I use this small rig monitor mount with a MagSafe attachment on top. I just slap on the phone and I'm good to go. The magnetic plate is solid enough that I don't need to worry about it. If I need to use a top handle, I have this generic one from AliExpress. It looks a bit like the Condor Blue version without the cushion grip. It works fine, it's small and lightweight. Then I put the monitor mount in front. The Sony app works well as monitor. It has a wired mode, so it is quite reliable. You could use the Monitor Plus app as well, whichever works best for you. For sound capture, I think the ECM M1 is the perfect mic. I bought it because I use it more as ambient mic. I can also record stereo for like concerts or just whenever I want to record stereo. I have zero problems with it. If you know what you want to use it for and how to use it, I think this is the perfect tiny little mic. Being wireless is so convenient as well. Of course, your use case will vary, but for my use, it is perfect. Now, if I want to do talking head shots, I switch to this mic, the Hollyland Lark M2. I have since sold this one for the Lark M2S, but this one is a fantastic mic for talking heads. Lastly, I use this Peak Design sling this way so everything is pointing down when I'm walking around. With that, here are some clips of my recent travel with this setup. Okay, I'll see you all in the next clip.